I'm not expecting so much on the food. Kasi I read online na
And
hindi
anyway,
masyadong
the
good yung
first
food.
go na
But
to the soda
let's go
and
see.
karaoke.
Okay, let's try the Hankers.
The second menu kind of clean your hands with the wet towels. Yeah. There's minced meat. After this, I will let you enjoy appetizer first, and then we have 3 menus straight from the Michelin restaurant.
Oh,
It's a style of doublet noodles, or you may call as rice noodle soup. Yeah. And second one, flavorful curry that got the, and the third menu, if you are big, we go and get fresh and hot pad thai in front of the restaurant. The Michelin dessert,
I
for
think
this
it's
mango
nasa
sticky rice, our
flower
hot
feta
drink,
or
and was hot
something.
Thai tea. This area of Talat Noi is a small community of Thai Chinese people that got visit not
Too much
old buildings. And then,
ginger.
inside of the small
I don't
street.
like that one.
And this will that next to our
Interesting
main
flavors, but-
river, the Chomia River.
Super tapang ng ginger na flavor. Buti na lang
If
pinuli
you
mo
want
to.
to
But
have
this
some
one's
of the
really good. I
chocolate,
like
the
it.
half pep 0% sugar, Lipton lemon soda or 7-Up, yeah. 50 baht each. But if you prefer to have the have one choice,
Stop.
Heineken 0% alcohol.
Super sarap. I like this one so much.
I'm coming in sa house
So
of
happy to
sickness from Heart in Bangkok.
I have been the dinner service ng 5:30 to 7 p.m. And surprisingly, ako lang yung, I mean, not really ako lang. Like, there are other people but in my seat. Ako lang yung nandito. So, it's very introvert-approved time. But I also read sa review that some people don't take this hour on this bus food tour kasi it can be traffic, so may mga mamimiss na stops, I think. But to be honest, I just really want to sit down and eat while roaming around. I know it might sound weird, but I'm here for the experience and I'm very much looking forward to it. Thank you. They just serve this soup. It smells so good.
Welcome drink class back.
Hindi ko alam kung weird description ba. But para siyang yung mga sabaw sa instant noodles. Medyo close to the lasa ng sabaw ng sotakon. But it's a good one. May noodles, may minced pork, may squid ball. Squid ball. I think wonton to. And parang fish cake, kikiam something.
Or chef
I like it.
Thai people call as Sheng Sing Yi. Chinese people may call as the Fun is the
Yung squid ball, very squid yung lasa. Okay, I'm enjoying this. I don't know if dahil ba binaba ko yung expectations ko because of the reviews I read, but so far, I like it. I think yung lasa naman din talaga is depende sa panglasa ng kumakain. Feeling ko mahirap ako i-please sa food eh, pero
of the locals
masarap naman siya.
food. Anyway, we will top this record for celebrating King Rama. The mention about King Rama the one who executed for the 1,000 years in Song Dynasty. This is a part of
So, tapos na yung soup and hindi lang naman din puro kain ng kain. I thought like dire-diretso yung food. Pero hindi naman. Nasa Chinatown kami ngayon and sobrang daming tao.
MRT station.
Yeah.
Chinese roll noodle.
Daming tao. The next menu is coming up na daw. It's masaman curry with jasmine rice.
Get our
I'm
pad
not
thai, still
really
fried Thai
expecting so
noodles.
much from this. I don't like rice that much as a Filipino, to be honest. I'm really waiting for the pad thai, so I'm just gonna eat the chicken. Wait, try mo na sauce. Yun
It's
pala
around
yung
with the pleasure
Masaman
shopping.
Curry.
Maybe they've got a lot, one more area for shopping and Serpa. But during the daytime, you'll find only phone accessory and online business.
Maasim, na mapinat, na matamis.
And there's an area of Serpa, phone accessory area.
Kung halo-halo lasa. For me, it's weirdly good. Dati ko nakikita tong Masaman Curry sa menu, but I thought it's just like the usual curry. Parang Indian curry or medyo Filipino curry. This is the first time I've tried this kind of curry. I like this one.
For his below place, there is a city.
Ito yung Michelin starred na pad thai. Diba? I don't know, but shrimps are big. Grabe. I think it now makes sense why it's the best pad thai.
So with that image, you have the royal ashes of our king.
Grabe. I really like how saucy it is, but not overwhelming. And even though yung noodles niya medyo manipis than what I like, it's still really, really good. Winner. I mean, to think na busog na ako neto. I've tried a lot of different pad thais in Hua Hin while I was there, but nothing comes close to this. It's really good. This is something I would order again. It's a pad thai lover. Parang gusto siyang tipirin. Hindi na ako makadandal sa sobrang sarap. Two moods. Yung daldal mo sa sobrang sarap or hindi ka naman makalita sa sobrang sarap. Oh, boss. I would have a mango sticky rice. Hindi mukhang very light yung mangoes, but matamis mo siya. Usual
On your right hand side,
mango
and
sticky
another
rice, I would
opening
say.
is the
Nothing
white king.
super special.
Someone who
Inisip ko lang, sana magkaroon din ng ganito sa Pilipinas. Adobo, lumpia. Pero sobrang traffic sa Pinas. Malabo.
or a little bit of coconut milk.
So roughly 20 minutes before the tour ends. And we're on our final thing. It's just a tea. Ang bango. May hint of vanilla. This is the style. Yung walang halong milk. Overall, really good experience. Personally, I would really recommend, although yeah, if you read the reviews, syempre iba-iba naman din ang experience ng tao, di ba? But for me, it's a good experience. I would even do it again with a friend. The food is good. I think yung hindi ko lang nagustuhan yung nasa petal na may shrimp na sinirap sa appetizer just because it's too much sugar. Everything was really good. Almost 3,000 pesos.
Just
If you're interested pala in listening, let's say,
and inside of the
fun facts about the places that we stop at or we pass by. Ayun, hindi ko masyadong naintindihan yung sinasabi. I think dahil sa pronunciation of things or hindi ko alam kung pangit lang ba yung pandinig ko. Sometimes I would understand it, but most of the times I don't. Even when I try to focus listening to it. But for me, ini-enjoy ko na yung view going around and the food. Kasi yun naman yung pinunta ko. Just wanna sit down and chill and just roam around. The idea of dining in a bus, I like it. Parang very chill. If nagkala ka the whole day, this is a good way to end it. If gusto mo lang ng pahinga or chill na activity, like I said, I would do it again. because I spend a lot on pagkain na din naman eh. So, sitting on a bus, food being served to you instead of like going around. It's just really good.